Today's random question, let us know below, is who was your first pediatrician that you remember? Your very first pediatrician, your very first doctor as a child. Let us know below. My friends, welcome to day 5, a very wet, beautiful morning here in Florida. Gonna turn up the intensity a little bit on this fine yoga flow, adding in some dolphins and sumo squats with twists, but you'll see what those are coming up. Make sure you keep inviting your friends to this challenge. Okay, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Always use control and modify as needed. Isn't this beautiful out here? There's a dog making a weird sound over there, so we'll work through that. Let's start in downward facing dog. Breathing in the nose, out the nose, little walks. Let your body relax into the pose. Oh, there we are. Let that sun hit the body, start to warm things up. The blood starts to flow, the breath starts to move, our thoughts zero in on a common purpose. What we are doing right here, right now. 5 more breaths. Breathe into the back. Breathe into everything. Breathe into your toes. Breathe into your heels. That might sound strange, but direct that breath into those areas. Visualize it. It's a very powerful tool. The mind sees it and the body does it. All right, forward to plank. Hands under the shoulders, elbows in. This calls for an extra special plank shirt tuck. 3 more breaths. Little rocking. Get some fluids into the shoulders, some blood, some mobility. Look at that clear lake. Looks like glass, doesn't it? Glass. All right, back to down dog. Take the hands further forward. Walk the legs. Bigger stretch. This is the good stuff right here. Lengthen the body. Elevate the mood and elevate your abilities as we zero in on the day with this great flow. Bite-sized chunks are like nice snacks that will give you a lot in a short amount of time. That's what I'm going for with this 30-day challenge. Anywhere, anytime. All right, forward, forearms down, forearm plank. Hence the forearms down. 5 breaths, little pulse. Get some movement into the core, some blood into the core. Oh, wait, okay. I have this sixth sense sometimes that there's someone standing there. And sometimes there is, or an animal. Oh, that feels good. Let's take it back to down dog for just a moment. Bring the right foot forward. Stretch that back leg or drop that back knee down. Left hand is on the ground, forearm on the leg, or pull the arm back into a twist. Little active movement. Exhale forward. Inhale forward. Exhale, pull. Little twisting in the morning. Wake up the lower back. Wake up the body. I don't know what face I'm making, but it's not cool, I'll tell you that. All right, step it back, other side. Forearm down or add the twist. Inhale, exhale. Glide through it, always flowing. Love that. One more time. Open it up. Now step back, lower down. Give us a cobra here. Hands on the shoulders, pressing up or all the way up into upward facing dog. Drop the shoulders, squeeze the glutes. 5 breaths. Getting taller in the pose, Stretch the bones out. Okay, lower down. Back to down dog for just a moment, and bring that left foot forward. Let's face each other in a sumo squat. Turn the toes out, crouching down, hands on the thighs. I'm going to turn my thumbs so they face towards the camera, and we do a twist. Back and forth. Exhale, inhale. Adjust the hands accordingly. Sink down as you twist the upper body. Love these twists. Drop that shoulder, pull the back shoulder back behind you, drop and twist. Activating the legs. There we are. One more time each side. Drop and twist. Inhale to the center, and then other side. Toes forward, tuck the chin, hinging down. All right, garland. Feet a little closer together. You can have the hands down here, or hands, what am I saying? Hands here, forearms here. It's a little early, isn't it? My brain is waking up with the flow, which is actually very, very appropriate, isn't it? Or come all the way down, hands together, rocking back and forth. Stretch the shin, the quad. I've taught many classes like that in the morning where it's I'm waking up with everybody else. Sometimes thank the Lord for automatic pilot if you need to just keep talking and talking until your mind catches up to what's going on or wakes up to what's going on. But the movement and the breath certainly does zero everything in working together. Isn't that just marvelous? One of my favorite stretches right here. Favorite moves, favorite exercises, whatever you want to call it. They're just words. The movement supersedes all that, trumps all that. The movement comes in and defines itself. It makes itself known in much deeper ways than a bunch of letters put together. All right, bring it down for the Superman. Lower yourself down. Remember, transitions are smooth as well. Let's start with a rowing Superman, because Superman does like to partake in rowboat activities. Shoulders back. Hands facing the ground. Lift the feet off the mat if you wish. Working all the way down here. We're going in the glutes. Anything's in my pockets? Okay, good. Sometimes I teach with keys in my pocket. I get so excited. Just drop down with keys. Garage door opener. All right, let's do 2 more breaths. Draw the shoulders back. We're getting a nice slicing motion here as we extend the neck, and the crown of the head is reaching towards that crop of trees over there on Cemetery Ridge right over there. Okay, let's take it back. Child's pose, rocking side to side. A great counter for any of these Superman variations that we do for our back. It's so nice about a body weight exercise like the Superman and the variations is that it is a very total engagement. The whole time you're doing it, your body is in it. It has to, because if it releases it, what am I saying? The pose ceases to exist. That's a fancy way of saying you have to give everything or it just falls apart. Can't fake it. Can't fake lifting up like that. Case in point, let's come forward. You can do the row again or extend the arms and lift into the full Superman right here. So if parts of me are going to start disengaging, it's going to start faltering and flopping, avoiding buildings while I'm flying. 3 more breaths. Good, beautiful long lines. Now up and back again. Child's pose, side to side. This is a great wake-up call in the morning, or do this anytime during the day. 30 days, anytime. What fits your schedule? I'll get questions a lot. When should I do this? I say, well, when you want to do it, when you're able to, when you have a space, when you have time. All right, let's finish this lakeside party off with some Dolphin. Forearms are down. Now you can also drop the knees to modify. Palms are flat. I'm going to tuck the toes and lift up. Huge stretch for your back and shoulders and legs. Pressing back like we do in the down dog. Let's switch the cap. Now I'm more aerodynamic this way. The beautiful Dolphin. If you like, add a little pulse. Inhale forward, exhale back. Oh, I came out here in the evening last night. Well, not the evening, but around 4 o'clock. And I had to turn right around and get out of here because I was instantly greeted by a lot of mosquitoes. Very friendly fellas. They wanted to chat. They left me some nice souvenirs on my arm. Little trivia about me. If I'm in a group of people outside, I'm the one who always gets bit because I'm so darn sweet. Inhale forward, exhale back. I must smell nothing like citronella or dryer sheets. Inhale forward, exhale back. My own unique body chemistry. 2 more times. And Florida is loaded with all sorts of flying creatures that love to bite me. All right, sitting on the heels, shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale back. Excellent stuff. Today's question, that's right. It's a good one. 2 more times. Good, we're opening the chest, set the standard for the day. I tell you what, on a whim, I want to finish with that garland again. While I was doing it, I kept thinking, I just really like this. I want to bring it back some more. Let's drive it some more. Deep breathing in the nose, out the nose. Keep that breath going throughout the day, throughout the evening. When you have a moment to yourself, refocus on the breath. Let the lungs get their workout in. Fill and empty the lungs. All right, my friends. Whew. Fantastic work. That is day 5. Invite your friends to join us, and don't keep it a secret. Remember, today's random question is, who was your very first, let's do this. Can't see. Your very first pediatrician that you remember? Mine was Dr. Slungard. This was in La Crosse, Wisconsin at Gunderson Lutheran Hospital. He was from Norway. Very cool guy. Used to see him periodically. My mom would take me in. And I think he was a ski trooper during World War II also. My mom told me that later when I was much older. Maybe much older as in 15. Dr. Slungard, who is yours? Let us know below, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6, my friends. God bless you.
Bud's going to write a novel.